part. Ooh, these are, ooh. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time visiting, my name is LJ and this is my series Too Fat for My Clothes. This video is going to be different. This video I am going to show you guys some new pieces that my boyfriend picked out for me. I had him go shopping for me on Ashley Stewart, and he picked out some pieces that he liked. Hopefully I like them as well. So we're going to get right into this video. I'm so excited. I've been holding on to this package for probably like a week because I wanted to do an unboxing with you guys. So let's get into the video. Here's my package. This is a very big package. I told him to pick me out 4 outfits. So we'll see what we have in here. You guys don't understand. Alright. We have, okay, I see prints, I see color, I see denim. Ooh. Okay. Ooh, wait, let's take this, put this down real quick. So this is a 2X. So I did give him my sizes. So I told him to get me, what I say, 18 in pants. And if he's getting the curvy girl, to get me a 2X. So I'm assuming this is a curvy girl because it's a 2X. So these are a pair of pants, leggings. These are really cute, babe. Okay, so we have this. And then we have, what is supposed to go with this? This, no? Okay, well, we're just going to open this. This is a 2X. So I'm assuming this is some curvy girl as well. And it looks like a sweater. This is pretty. This is pretty. So this is a sweater. I am going to try these on for you guys. I don't want to get makeup on the clothes because I am planning on doing a photo shoot in some of these outfits. So once I wash my face, I'll have a try on for you guys. Oh, this is a turtleneck. I needed another one of these. I can't find the other one I had. This is cute, nice and simple. What is this? I guess this is like a
free gift for spending all that money.
Oh, it's a free gift. Okay. We're going to open that later. Let's get into this. What is this? Here's another pair of pants. Oh, these are like, oh, these are 18. These are really cute. They look big. Oh, these are really stretchy. I probably could have got these in a smaller size. But we'll see how they fit. And if they don't fit, I will send them back and get a smaller size. Because these are really, really stretchy. So, those might be a little big. And then we have looks like another sweater. This is a size 14, 16. Oh, this is cute. Look at the detail on the sleeve. This is hot. This is really cute. I can't wait to try this on to see how this fits. Because it looks like it's supposed to be like a 3/4 length shirt. See how that goes. What is this? This is a shirt size 14, 16. This is a peplum top. Peplums are my absolute fave. And this one is really, really stretchy. This should fit really nice. Really, really nice. So these are pants.
The matching pants.
Okay. These might be too big. But we'll see how it fits. So these are 18-20, and because it's a lot of stretch, I'll be going down a size. But we'll see how it fits. We'll see how it fits. So these two go together. So we have a couple pair of jeans in here. I haven't bought jeans from Ashley Stewart in a long time. And this doesn't look like an Ashley Stewart brand jean. So I don't know how this is going to fit. But these are 18. What does it say? Bombshell fit. These are push-up jeans. So these, ooh, look at this booty. You see this right here? This, that might do something for me. This little heart shape right there. So I can't wait to try these on. Yeah, these should fit. These have a nice stretch. And the other pair of jeans I have in here. Alright, so wait. This brand is 1.5. Those are a skinny jean, and this brand is Dollhouse, also a size 18. It's their curvy collection, so we'll see how it's going to fit. So I wonder if these are like a high waist jean. A lot of stretch. Let's see how this fits. My only concern is how long the crotch is. I think it's really long. I don't like that. But we'll see. And then I have another pair of pants. Oh, these are cute. Oh, they have pockets. Okay, so we have pockets on the side, and then we have like the cargo style pockets also on the side. So this is really cute. This is neat. I like that. I did see this on the website, but I didn't know they had pockets. I like that. This is curvy girl. Ooh, I can't wait to put those on. Really, Oreo? He wants to be part of the action. So this is the last piece, and these are, well, this is a, oh, it's another Bethany type shirt. Houndstooth, size 14-16. This is really cute, babe. This has like a collar, almost like a turtle, not like a full turtleneck, but it does have a collar on it. And then it has like a single button detail on the neck to close it. This is really cute. So I'm trying to figure out the outfits. So you got the black shirt could go with
turtleneck those pants
with the red.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, that'll be cute. Okay, and then
get the turtleneck. Put it with it.
So special. Look at that. Okay, that's an outfit.
Light denim.
Good.
With the creamish, pinkish sweater.
This, okay.
Yep.
So this, with this. Alright.
The regular blue denim.
With this, the gray?
Yep.
Alright. So these two together. The outfit. And then these two?
Or the black turtleneck.
With these?
With either of those pants.
With either of these.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So black turtleneck can go with 3 pair. So we're gonna try it on with fall. I can't wait to get these pants.
And that with the denim.
Which one of the denim? The light denim? The dark denim?
I would say the dark.
The dark denim.
With a black shoe. Or a boot. A black boot.
Alright, so that's everything that I got. I'm going to try these on and I will be back to show you guys how these clothes fit. I'll let you guys know what I'm actually going to wear for my photo shoot. So stay tuned for the next part of this video. I know it's been a long time coming. I couldn't decide how I wanted to do this video. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do 2 parts or just do one continuous part. So here it is. These jeans, they fit, for the most part, they fit well. I do believe that they're a little big because they're very stretchy. They have, as you can see, there's a lot of room in the back of the jeans. And there's gapping in the back. So what I would most likely do is adjust the jeans, take in the waist a little bit so they fit a little bit better. These jeans are comfortable for the most part, and I will probably wear it with the shirt tucked in. I'm not sure yet how I'm planning on wearing it. So the next outfit here is a houndstooth peplum type shirt, and I really like this shirt. The material is kind of thin, so it is kind of clingy to where the jeans look bulky underneath the shirt. So this is paired with the last pair of jeans that I had on, and I would probably wear like all black pants and a waist belt with this instead of the jeans. So that's this outfit. So the next outfit here are these. I think these are the dollhouse jeans. So these jeans are very stretchy. They are high waist, so I did have to pull them up to adjust them to where the waist is. So like with these pants are like the last pants. They are very stretchy and they are big and gap in the back. So I will adjust those just the way that I would adjust the last pair of pants that I had on. They do make my butt look really, really big. And once I adjust them, it'll look amazing. This sweater, I like the length of the sleeves on the sweater. I feel like it's very flattering, especially with the detail that we have on the sleeves. With this next outfit, I absolutely love peplum tops, because peplum tops, they have that detail at the bottom that hides everything. So this shirt also has like a cutout detail in the front, and this outfit is very, very, very stretchy. I thought the pants were going to be too big, but they fit perfect for the most part, and I have worn this outfit out already. So the next few outfits are going to be paired with the black turtleneck that my boyfriend picked out for me. And as you can see, these pants are too big. They're too big, and right here I'm showing you how big they are and how I wish that they had a lot less material up in the front area. So with this outfit, I think I would want to wear it tucked in for the most part. Maybe not with this sweater, because this sweater is kind of long. But I think it would look better and show off more detail and the cuteness of these pants if the shirt was tucked in. These pants are absolutely amazing, and I did end up ordering these pants in a size 16. I haven't tried them on yet, but once I try them on, I'll come back with you guys and show you how the outfit looks complete. I'll come back and show you how everything looks complete. So hopefully I can get that done soon. So here's these pants, and the next outfit with the black turtleneck are these red pants. So these pants kind of give me a pajama vibe. They're kind of like that flannel material, so they're not as stretchy. And as you can see, my butt stretches out stretches it out a lot to where the pocket looks like overstretched. And because my butt pushes out on the back of the pants, it kind of pulls the front in towards my stomach. So it kind of makes it less flattering. So with these pants, I would definitely have to put on some type of shapewear to kind of get the tummy under control. And I really love the detailed pockets. And these pants have like the cargo style bottoms. So I'll show you guys how I style these pants. I do like it with the black turtleneck. When it's pulled down, it really does look really, really cute. And so I just don't like how tight the band is, and that's mainly because my butt is so I have like big thighs, a big butt, and a gut. So it's like I got a lot working with. I'm working with a lot, trying to fit a lot into a pair of pants. So that's the second outfit with this turtleneck. And the third outfit with this black turtleneck is these pants. I absolutely love these pants. I kind of feel like a penny a little bit because of the color, but they're cute. And these pants, just like those jeans, make my butt look absolutely humongous. I really like these pants, and I think that they will look absolutely amazing with like a bodysuit and a blazer. So that's probably what I would most likely pair these with. These pants are high waist pants, and I really love the thick band around the front. With these pants, I definitely will have to put on some type of shapewear to kind of smooth the belly out a little bit. But for the most part, I really love these pants, and the outfits that my boyfriend picked out for me are really cute. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like this video, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Oh yeah, and don't forget to subscribe. See ya.